On this video, I want to share with you 3 things that you need to know before you start doing your first fix and flip. And it's crazy because I don't hear people talking about these things. Number 1, you never pay 100% upfront to your contractors. I have personally been burned from this, so please hear me when I say, do not pay the contractors until the work is done. Secondly, make sure you get a W-9. So for your tax records and your bookkeeping, you need to make sure that you get a W-9 form or a 1099 from your contractor before you pay them a dime, okay? And then number 3, this is very important. Listen, make sure you have them sign a lien release form or waiver before you make your final payment. I have seen so many contractors who automatically put a lien on a property as soon as they start the work. And then once they get paid, guess what? They're on to the next job. And trying to get a hold of them at closing to get that sign is going to be a headache. So you want to make sure you do all 3 of these things up front, all right? See you on the next one.